Hello. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Watch the video until the end to see the interior shots, exterior shots, and the full review. Following a lengthy teaser campaign, Kia revealed the new Sorento this year. Just a few days later, the South Korean manufacturer released initial technical details about its completely overhauled SUV, and now we have all the official info and numbers. And it looks promising. First and foremost, the new Sorento is the first generation of the model to receive an electrified powertrain. Called SmartStream, the mill combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine with a 1.49 kWh lithium-ion polymer battery pack and a 44.2 kW electric motor. The system's peak output stands at 227 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Power is channeled to all four wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission and a transmission-mounted electrical device, allowing the full power of the engine and motor to be transferred in parallel with minimal loss of energy. The Sorento Hybrid will be available in select European markets from launch, and later this year Kia will also introduce a plug-in hybrid version of its family hauler. Also available on the old continent from launch will be a 2.2-liter diesel motor with 199 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, paired with a new 8-speed dual wet clutch automatic. Final fuel consumption ratings will be released closer to the vehicle's on-sale date later this year. Just as a reminder, in some markets the new Sorento is also getting a beefier 2.5-liter turbocharged gas engine with 277 horsepower and 310 pound-feet mated to the same 8-speed dual clutch automatic. In terms of safety and assist systems, the 2021 Sorento comes with a wide range of technologies. Depending on the trim level and optional equipment, these include forward collision and avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, surround view monitor, blind spot collision avoidance assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go function, and many more will be available. As a result of using more lightweight materials, the next-gen Sorento has managed to shave off approximately 176 pounds despite the minor growth in size. The newly developed platform aims to provide a smoother ride experience as well as sharper handling, while boosting safety with 8 airbags, including a knee airbag for the driver. A first for any Kia or Hyundai model, there's a multiple collision avoidance automatic braking system, which will automatically hit the brakes if it notices the driver loses control of the vehicle following the first crash. For the North American market, the new Sorento will be manufactured at Kia's West Point, Georgia, plant, while Europe and other global markets will take delivery from Kia's Hwaseong manufacturing facility in South Korea.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.